Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up game mode and performance boost on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the X Arena. So this is the app that we want to go into. Here, let me quickly rotate the phone. What are we going to do in this app is we're going to go, and here we have the Darling engine. And here we can change everything. We can hide the notifications, we can reject calls, we can go and do the health mode, gaming temperature control, increase footstep sound, optimize game graphics, also graphic adjustment. So we can change it from classic to, let's say, realistic, and now it looks realistic. So here we can do that. Now here in the plus button, we can add the game mode, so we can choose an apps that we want to run in a game mode, and I added random apps because I do not have any games on the phone. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how that exactly works. So I'm gonna open up the Photos app. This is the app that I've added the game mode on, and as you guys can see, whenever I try to leave like this, I can't. I can hold it, and now we got our slider, we got our media volume. We can use the Chrome, WhatsApp here, also CPU, which is our processor, and GPU, which is our graphics card. We got our screenshot, screen record. We can clean up our memory by just clicking once, and we can also hide notifications. We can reject calls, bypass charging, so it will go straight into the system, entire power that we get, instead of the battery, so it does not heat up. We got our voice changer, gaming temperature, so we can see the temperatures and also try and lower them. Here we have the off-screen gaming and also the magic button, so we can set the functions of the volume buttons for games. So volume plus button, for example, we're gonna add it and we want to press it somewhere. As you guys can see, we can easily just do that and hold it. Now, for example, we want to click here at the text. Now we're gonna be here and we're gonna press it. It will open the video. Now we scroll a bit more, it will open up a photo if we get it right, just like that. And that's how you guys can easily set up the game mode and boost your performance on your INFINIX. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.